In your package, you'll find the RollnRest box, RollnRest orthopedic bed, PEMF layer, and cover. Inside your box is power adapter, connection cable, test tube with magnet, and the control unit. First, carefully cut the plastic and unwrap the bed. Then unroll the bed and allow it to rest for a few hours so the orthopedic foam can fully expand. Then, place the PEMF layer with coils on top of the foam, fit both into the cover, and zip it closed. RollnRest, rest that heals. For more help, visit petspem.com/support.